सभी का स्वागत है। ये लेडी हार्डिंग का जो प्रांगण है सबसे पुराना मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में इसका नाम आता है, और जिस हॉल में आप हैं, दिस whole building is building of hope. This was during the COVID times. All the doctors, nurses, and the people who lost their life, this particular building is dedicated to them. Myself and Dr. Reena Yadav, who is the principal of this particular college and the head of the department of Lady Hardinge Medical College, we welcome you all. All leading gynecologists in the country are Hardonians. You all know why we have gathered today. But to see this much number at the start at 9 o'clock is overwhelming. Our Honorable Prime Minister has already given us the date of Viksit Bharat. So all of us have to take that particular call. The call is चुस्त बनना है, दुरुस्त बनना है, कमर कस के तैयार होना है. So all of us are here for that. आज की ये कॉन्फ्रेंस नहीं है, हम लोग इकट्ठे हुए हैं एक संकल्प के लिए, that no maternal death is negotiable. We cannot afford to leave any life which is lost during pregnancy and delivery. So today's date is dedicated totally to decrease maternal mortality, the preventable maternal mortality. यही हमारा संकल्प है. हिंदुस्तान ने हर क्षेत्र में बहुत तरक्की की है. It is laudable. But when we see the figures of maternal mortality, when we see the figures of stillbirths, when we see the figures of neonatal mortality rate, ये हमारी प्रगति में प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाते हैं. आपको अच्छा लगता है मैटरनल मोर्टेलिटी हमारी ज्यादा है? यस और नो? सो जब हमारे को ये पता चलता है कि ऑन हेल्थ फ्रंट वी आर लैकिंग, प्रेगनेंसी इज सेफ एवरीवेयर, पर हमारे यहाँ बच्चे का जन्म हो और वो शोक में तब्दील हो जाए, दिस इज नॉट मेडिकल फेलियर ओनली, दिस इज सिस्टम फेलियर, दिस इज ट्रेनिंग फेलियर. ये राष्ट्रीय चेतावनी है, इसको अनसुना और अनदेखा नहीं किया जा सकता. आई रिपीट अगेन, maternal death is not negotiable. हमारे रोल मॉडल है केरला. Few teachers in Kerala got together and you can see what is maternal mortality there. It is 18 per lakh. Not only it shames the rest of the states in the country, it shames the western world. Their stillbirth rate is 1.5 per thousand. Their neonatal mortality is 1. वही हमारे रोल मॉडल है. सेकेंड रोल मॉडल है Fernandez Hospital in Hyderabad. It's an institute, private one. 10,000 deliveries take place every year. And Nuzhat Aziz told us personally that there has been only 2 deaths in the last 6 years. Their stillbirth rate is 2.1 and their neonatal mortality is again 1 like Kerala. Why and how they got it done? I will say obsession, that maternal death is not negotiable. The obsession with red flag sign, the obsession with one protocol, their obsession with 100% compliance with that protocol, good team communication, and action in the golden hour. They know it delays death, but if you do an action within 1 hour, you can save all lives. And dedication and honesty for standard of care should be the same. And that has done magic, both in Kerala as well as in Fernandez Hospital. Kerala is an example of the government sector, how one state can do this marvelous job. Fernandez Hospital is an example in a private sector that you can do equally wonderful. My question to all of you is, if Kerala can do it, we can also do it. If Fernandez Hospital can do it, we can also do it. आज का जो दिन है, ये जो माँ की सांसें हैं, उसको सुरक्षा के लिए एक महायज्ञ है, हमारी प्रतिज्ञा है. I again remind, delay is death. Timely action saves life. Time has come in Viksit Bharat. I speak the language of Prime Minister, that har prasav utsav bane. It should be celebration, durghatna nahi. Again, as far as Prime Minister is concerned, maternal death is not negotiable. If there is a safe mother, safe baby becomes a strong nation. यही हमारा कर्म है, यही हमारा धर्म है, यही हमारा संकल्प है. I will speak and you will follow me after that. I am going to speak one India, one protocol and zero preventable death. One India, one protocol, zero preventable deaths. If Kerala can do it, we can do it. If Fernandez Hospital can do it, we can do it. I'll remain indebted to Dr. Reena Yadav. We missed Reena Yadav during a golden, silver jubilee celebration for Abdul Kalam Excellence Award. And this is an opportunity, because 2nd November is going to be historic day, where the light was started in Lady Hardinge Medical College. And Madam's gracious support, she filled the form for this particular event. So I call all senior people for her felicitation. This is Abdul Kalam Award, which is given to you now. Madam Reena.